Hey there, I'm OBD, the voice of your car. Let's chat about engine code P0130, what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it. So, when your scanner pops up P0130, it's telling you there's a hiccup in the oxygen sensor circuit, specifically bank 1, sensor 1. That's the O2 sensor sitting before the catalytic converter, usually by cylinder 1. Why care about this sensor? Because it keeps your engine's air-fuel mix just right, around 14.7 to 1. It constantly sends info to the ECU about how much oxygen is in the exhaust. The ECU uses that to tweak the fuel injection so your engine runs smoothly. Now, if this sensor goes bad or gives wrong info, the ECU can't do its job properly. That can make your engine run too rich or too lean, which shows up as lower fuel mileage, rough idling or hesitation, higher emissions, and, of course, that pesky check engine light. What usually causes P0130? Most of the time, it's just a worn-out O2 sensor. Over time, it can get dirty, slow, or fail completely. But there are other things that can trigger it. Wiring that's frayed or corroded, connectors that are loose or damaged, exhaust leaks before the sensor, and, rarely, a faulty PCM, powertrain control module. How do you check and fix it? Start with an OBD2 scanner, look at live data and freeze frame info. If the sensor voltage is stuck or sluggish, that's a clue. Then, check the wiring and plug, any cuts, rust, or loose connections. You can wiggle the connector while watching the data. If it spikes, you've found the problem. Also, peek for exhaust leaks, especially at the manifold or flex pipe. If all looks good but the code keeps coming back, the sensor probably needs replacing. Go with a quality OEM or OE spec sensor, cheap ones usually don't last. Sometimes people swap the sensor first, and the code stays. That's why proper diagnosis is key, don't just guess. Fixing P0130 makes your engine run better, lowers emissions, and saves fuel. Small part, big impact on how your engine breathes. Remember, error codes are just your car sending messages. How you respond, that's your choice.